Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. This is the look I am doing for you guys today. It is Ursula the Sea Witch. I am really chuffed with it and keep watching to see how I did this step by step. Starting off with moisturizing the face, I am just putting on this Crayolan Ultra Cream. This should give me a smooth underbase for my foundation. Hopefully, once that is all dried and set, I can just put some foundation over that. That is the plan in any case. So let's just give that a minute or so to dry up, and I can get the glue off my finger. You will see the eyebrows do not look perfect, but it looks decent enough. You can kind of see they're still there, but in overall it looks pretty decent. And looks very interesting without eyebrows. Right, so now comes the question, shall I start with color or shall I plot my eyebrows first? I think I'm going to go ahead and start with color. Basically what I want to do is I'm going to start off with my Rimmel palette. This is the Electric Violet. This is the Crayolan P3 powder. And I usually have a little powder puff that I apply this with, but currently I do not, so I'm actually just going to go in with the beauty blender and I'm just going to set it everywhere. Powder. Not my favorite way to apply, but we shall see. Straight off the bat I'm going to start off with that color. Let's see what happens. This is from Crayolan. It's a palette that I put together a couple of years ago, so I can't actually tell you what's in it. I'm mixing the two greys that I've got. I'm just going to apply that all over the rest of the face. Still using the same brush, I'm going to go in with Creative Glamour. This is also a palette I made together a couple of years ago. I went for all the brights, so I can't exactly tell you which color this is. I just know that it's the bright purple. Let's see what happens. This is surprisingly going on better than the Rimmel. I usually love Rimmel. This one's actually going on really, really well. also from Creative Glamour. This is my second palette from them. This is actually one that I bought, and this is called Night Storm. Let's see what happens if I add a bit of the Rimmel blue. Using a light pencil, I am going to outline my eyebrows. These eyebrows are sisters, not twins. Nowhere near twins. Now, to finish it off, I am using MAC. What is this? This is the Retro Matte Liquid Lip Color in Fashion Legacy. Try saying that 3 times quickly and remembering it. Comes in one of those like weird triangle applicators. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Sign up to my subscriptions, leave a comment below, and hit the like button. See you guys next time.